I'd like to thank Caydo for sponsoring today's video. All right, you guys, now I'm really excited because today I'm diving into a new machine that just might level up your crafting game. This is the Caydo CE01 Embroidery Machine, and after spending some time with it, I've got a lot to share with you. Now, let's get started with the basics. Right out of the box, the CE1 feels like a serious tool that was made for crafters, for hobbyists, and even small business owners. Now, it's compact enough to fit on a standard craft room table. No doubt about that at all. But don't let that small compact size fool you, because it is perfect and it is packed with all kinds of features. Now, right away, what stood out to me is the embroidery area. Now, this machine comes with two different hoop sizes. One is a standard 4x4 inches, and the other is an impressive 4x9¼ inches. And that extra space is going to open up so many possibilities, like larger designs, multi-line text, full patterns without having to re-hoop every single time. And compared to machines like the Brother Sketch, for example, which only gives you a 4x4 hoop, the Caydo really steps things up in terms of flexibility. It is really, really crazy. Now, let's talk about the on-screen navigation. The CE1 features a 7-inch color touchscreen, which honestly makes a huge amount of difference. And the larger screen isn't just for looks. It's incredibly functional. It's incredibly functional, and you can preview your designs. You can adjust the placement. You can change the thread colors. You can access the built-in patterns, all from the one interface. It's responsive, it's intuitive, and it's really perfect for anyone who wants to avoid kind of complicated button sequences or tiny monochrome displays. There is a lot of really cool features again with this machine. Now, speaking of patterns, the machine is powered by Caydo's built-in i2 operating system, which comes with preloaded with 130 different embroidery designs. There's a good mix of shapes, there's florals, there's some seasonal graphics, there's some borders, there's plenty of things to get you started. And if you want, you can take things up a further notch, because you can upload your own custom designs, your own logos, your own artwork. Now, whether you're into personalized gifts or you're adding a brand to your, like a brand logo to your products, this feature is going to be super, super easy. Now, did I mention that this is also fast? The CE1 also stitches at 700 stitches per minute, which means you're getting crazy speeds and accuracy. Now, it's fast enough to finish projects in less time, but not so fast that it's going to be intimidating for beginners. So don't worry about that. Now, another bonus is that this has incredible language support. There are 10 different languages built into the system. Those include English, Spanish, French. It's a small touch, but it's really a thoughtful one, especially like if you're buying this for a gift, maybe for somebody that lives overseas, maybe even you are going to be sharing this in a classroom or gifting this to like a maker space. Such a cool feature. Now, one thing that I appreciated the most was that Caydo included in the box literally everything that you're going to need to start stitching right away. You get 6 rolls of polyester embroidery thread. You get pre-wound bobbin threads. You get stabilizer sheets. You get both hoop sizes and all of the tools that you're going to need for maintenance and for setup. Now, if you're brand new to embroidery, this is really a big win, because you don't have to go out and buy a bunch of extra accessories just to get started with this. And again, I'm brand new to this, so this was all a huge win for me. Now, let's talk about how this machine actually performs. Now, before we get started, one thing I do want to show you is what I'm going to be embroidering today. And I have this great tote bag. Now, I've only got one of these tote bags, so what I'm going to do is a little bit of a practice run, because I really want to show you all of the detail that really happens with these stitches. Now, remember, again, the Caydo CE1 is an incredible machine, and again, it comes with so many materials and so many items that you really do get a chance to kind of play around with this and experiment. And so that is exactly what I did. I went into the digital screen that, again, is an impressive size, and I started to just kind of go through my stitch. Now, I used my 4x4 hoop, and when I was going through the process, you can see that everything is extremely detailed. The stitching is super tight. Now, the one thing I will say that I did, if you are
embroidering something and you are enlarging the screen, which I did do when I was using my 4x4 here, I went ahead and did a double stitch on mine. So as you can see, when you're watching the machine do its magic, at first you're going to think, well, those stitches are not very tight, Jamie, what's going on here? But again, this is how I kind of made those stitchings be even tighter and tighter, because I went through and did this twice. The beautiful thing about all of this is that I did not have to remove my 4x4 hoop at all. The machine knew exactly where it started, it knew exactly where it ended, and it restarted again. So that is why you see this beautiful stitch when it's all done. Now that I have got this beautiful stitch, it is time to get started on the actual bag itself.
From setup to stitch out, the process felt very, very simple. The instructions were very clear. The learning curve was really minimal, and everything just worked the way it was supposed to, which is something I can't always say for, everything that we start brand new sometimes, especially for beginners. This machine strikes the right balance between ease of use and creative control, which I definitely appreciated. All right, you guys, now as you just saw, the stitch quality is solid. The thread colors are popping, even though I went with the one color, and the larger hoop made this really, really easy to work with, especially with some of those more complex designs. Now, it's smooth, it's quiet, it's efficient, it's everything that I would want in an embroidery machine, especially for my craft room here. Now, if you've been thinking about getting into embroidery or upgrading from a basic model, I really think the Caydo CE01 is worth checking out. It delivers a lot of features that usually come in much more expensive machines, but at a price point, this is really, really good, especially for a beginner-friendly setup. Now, if you are ready to start creating your own personalized embroidery projects, be sure to check out the link below. As you can see, there is an instruction to check out that link in the description box. You are going to get an exclusive coupon code for a discount to purchase your very own machine. Now, once again, that code is down in that description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this, and most of all, happy stitching to all of you. All right, guys, until next time, I'll chat with you later.